This will be for the con assignment, mean absolute deviation. Okay, so this can be a lengthy process to do by hand, so I'm going to do it on Google Sheets. Okay, Thelma counted the number of apples on each tree of the apple trees in her backyard. She found 34 on one tree, 29 on another, 39 on another, and 34 on another. Find the mean absolute deviation of the set. All right, so we have, let me write it out so I don't forget them. We have 34, 29, 39, and 34. All right, and I'm going to do this on Google Sheets. Okay, here I am on Google Sheets. So I'm going to enter these numbers. You can do it horizontally or vertically. It doesn't matter. All right, we have 34, enter, 29, enter, 39, enter, and 34, enter. Okay, so those are the 4 values given on Khan Academy. So on the empty cell, I'm going to hit equals, and I'm going to type A, V, and this is the one you want, AVEDEV, okay? It's the average magnitude of deviations from the mean, okay? So in other words, it's the mean absolute deviation, same thing. So you want AVEDEV, that's the first one when you type AV. Okay, click on that, and then just click on the rows, left click, hold it down, and highlight the rows, and let go, and hit enter. Okay, and there you go, there's your answer, 2.5. All right, so 2.5, we're gonna go to Khan and enter that in the box. Okay, notice they didn't tell us to round or anything like that because it came out to exactly 2.5. So enter that in the box, and there we go. Okay, let's do one more. They want us to find the mean absolute deviation of the data set, and since these are in a row, I'm just going to click and highlight the numbers. Okay, and then I hit Control-C, and I'm going to go to Sheets. Okay, now I'm in Sheets. Click on an empty cell and hit Control-V. All right, and you should have a little drop-down menu here. If not, just go to Data, and on the bottom one, it should say, Split Text to Columns. All right, so they did that, and here's my numbers. All right, go to an empty cell and hit equals. Once again, type AV, and it's the first one, AVEDEV. Okay, click on that, and then just highlight those numbers. All right, so I'm going to click here, left click, hold it down, highlight all 5 numbers, let go, and hit enter. Okay, and it's exactly 5.6. All right. Now, if it's a repeating decimal or something and they tell you to round off, you can just use this symbol right here to decrease decimal places. It will round it off for you. See, I can increase it by clicking this one. If I click this one, it decreases. All right, but it was exactly 5.6, so they didn't say to round off. Okay, so I got 5.6. All right, and that's it. These are all the same. All right, if you can highlight the numbers, that's great. If not, then you'll just have to type the numbers in Google Sheets. Okay, and again, the command on Google Sheets, you hit equals and type AV. It doesn't have to be capital. You can do lowercase. Type AV. And you should get the one that is AVEDEV. Okay, that's the command on Google Sheets. And that will give you the mean absolute deviation.